We have seen earlier how to multiply 2 by 2 matrices using Stresson's algorithm. Now we'll see how to multiply matrices of order 4 by using Stresson's algorithm. So here, to multiply the matrices of order 4, we will use divide and conquer approach. That means the given matrix of order 4, we will divide it into sub-matrices of order 2 by dividing like this. Here 4 rows, we make a partition into 2 rows above and 2 rows below, and we make a partition in between the 2 columns like this. So here matrix A is divided into 4 matrices. This we call it as A1, we call this as A2, A3 and A4, and each of these sub matrices is of order 2. Similarly, we divide the matrix B into sub matrices of order 2 and we get the 4 submatrices. We call them B1, B2, B3, B4, where B1 is 1, 0, 2, 5, B2 is 2, 1, 3, 1, B3, 3, 2, 4, 1 and B4 is 0, 4, 5, 2. So, if the given matrix is of order n, then divide that matrix into the submatrices of order n by 2. So here matrix of order 4, we divided it into 4 submatrices, each is of order 2 by 2. Okay. Now your matrix A into B will look like this. A into B, A is A1, A2, A3, A4, where AI is submatrix of order 2, B1, B2, B3, B4, BI is submatrix of order 2. Now we use regular method of matrix multiplication. How we multiply the matrices? By usual method, first row with first column. So A1 into B1 plus A2 into B3. A1 into B1 plus A2 into B3. Then this entry will be first row second column. So first row will be multiplied with this second column and we will get A1 B2 plus A2 B4. Similarly, this is second row first column, that is A3 B1 plus A4 B3, and this is second row second column, that is A3 B2 plus A4 B4. Now we'll calculate these matrices. Now we'll find one by one A1 B1, A2 B3 up to so on A4 B4, because this A1 is of order 2, B1 is of order 2. So, and we know how to multiply the matrices of order 2 by using Stresson's algorithm. So, here we'll apply the Stresson's algorithm and we'll find these matrices. Now, A1 is 1, 3, 0, 1, B1 is 1, 0, 2, 5. We'll find now A1 into B1 by using Stresson's algorithm and we will get the matrix A1 into B1 over here. Then similarly we require next entry. This is your A1 into B1. Whatever matrix you will get, we have to place it over here as A1 into B1. The next entry here is A2 into B3. We will find out matrix A2 into B3, and whatever matrix we get over here, matrix of order 2 by 2, this matrix we will put over here. Similarly, we will find all other matrices. In the next step, we will add these two matrices and whatever we'll get is, it will look like A into B is equal to, this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. So, addition of them is again a 2 by 2 matrix. So, it will be somewhat like this. Similarly, this is addition of these 2 by 2 matrices will be again a 2 by 2 matrix. Similarly, here we will get a 2 by 2 matrix, and here A into B is a 4 by 4 matrix again. So, multiplication of two 4 by 4 matrices is again a 4 by 4 matrix. So, in this way, we can apply Stresson's algorithm to a 4 by 4 matrix also. Note that here we can multiply the matrices using Stresson's algorithm provided that order of the matrix is n, where n is the power of 2. Means we can multiply by using Stresson's algorithm the matrices of order 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Thank you.